Hello everyone, welcome back to Gill Civil Prep Corner. If you are preparing for SSC JE, PSSSB JE or any civil engineering exam, then today's video is extremely important. In this video, we will understand soil mechanics, origin of soil, explain in a very simple and exam-oriented way what is soil and origin of soil. First of all, let's understand what soil is. Soil is formed due to physical and chemical weathering of rocks, also known as the parent material, on the Earth's surface. This complete process of soil formation is called pedogenesis. Now remember this word pedogenesis. It is very important exam keyword. After formation, soil can remain at the same place called residual soil and move to another place while the natural agent is called transported soil. Now we talk about the geological cycle of the soil. Soil formation follows a sequence: weathering, transportation, deposition and sometimes uplift. Questions from this cycle are frequently asked in objective exam. Next we talk about the weathering processes. Now let's understand weathering, which means the breakdown of rocks, and it is divided into the two parts. First one is a physical weathering and second one is a chemical weathering. Physical weathering is that weathering in which the rock break into the smaller particle. No change in chemical composition, and it is caused by the running water, wind, freezing and thawing, in which the soil formed are coarse grain like sand and gravel. Next, we talk about the chemical weathering, in which the decomposition of mineral is occur. Chemical reaction like oxidation, hydrolysis, carbonation, in which the soil formed are fine grain like silt and clay and have higher plasticity. Next we talk about the types of soil based on origin transport. It is divided in two parts. First one is a residual soil and second one is a transported soil. In residual soil, it formed in a place, remain at original location, no transportation involved. Next we talk about the transported soil, in which it carried from one place to another by a natural agent. And it is also divided in different five parts. First one is the alluvial or fluvial soils. It is transported by the running water, river and stream. Second, Aeolian soil. It is transported by the wind. Next, glacial soil. It is transported by the glaciers. Next, Lacustrine soil. It deposit in the lakes. Next, marine soil. It is a deposit in the sea. Next, we will discuss the question expected in an upcoming exam. First one is Aeolian soil are transported by. The answer is wind. Second, when weathers rock remain at a same place, it is called a residual soil. Next, which weathering form sand and gravel? Answer is a physical weathering. So friends, today we covered origin of soil, weathering processes, type of soil based on origin and transport, important exam question. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to Gill Civil Prep Corner. More soil mechanics, RCC, geotechnical and SSC JE content is coming very soon. Thank you.